just chilling back here. There's that old big ass tree. Or big old tree, excuse the ass part. My brother
YouTube
James.
Friendly.
Yeah, YouTube friendly today.
It's not YouTube friendly to say ass.
Little snake Plissken over there. I like it back here. There's some water down there. Hey, I was just talking for a minute and I didn't even push the record button. Anyways, check it out, guys and gals. This is water's piling up right here. I showed you last time, and then I didn't show you completely, but it's pulling up right here, and then it goes underground right here, and then it comes out down the way where it was all down over there when we hit that first camp. But got snake Plissken over there. You're gonna check out that little cave.
Don't trip.
Or mine. It used to be all mine or something. Hope we made it. Yeah! Hey, look, I got somebody else's pack plus my pack because he couldn't hang. Old snake Plissken. But I told him I'd do it for him. He's taking a rest down there. But we're at the spot now. Sorry about breathing heavy, but that was brutal, a little brutal. All right, we'll get back to you as always. Well, it's a beautiful day out here. We're at the Upper Shake Campground again. There's my brother James over there. What's up, brother James?
How you doing, man? You all right?
Yeah, we're just waiting for snake Plissken to get back. He's over there taking a rest or something. We're gonna set up our hammocks and then chill. We got us Lexada stove. We're gonna cook some bacon and shit and stuff. Or we're gonna have some what are these called? Quick tenders?
Yeah. Got them from 5 Cold.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna be lighting that up. Check it out, man. You got this Lexada stove with the wood. Yeah. Gonna make some coffee. Oh yeah, you know I had to do it with the bacon. Get your some drilling action going. Cook some bacon in Lexada stove. Lexada. Look at that. This stuff's thick like ham. Look at that. Should have bought a bigger pan, but next time. Oh yeah, check it out, the tasty goodness, the drooling goodness. Aaron Nelson, check that out. Shalisa Shell, bacon. Oh yeah, that's for you, Nathan. 4071. Look at that. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Bacon. Daddy loves bacon. Yeah, just a few more pieces and we'll be done with this one. Let's go check on snake Plissken's over here cooking. He's using his SA cook set. Got some bacon going on right there, brother. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got an egg frying up in that. Yee! Huevos time. Look at all the bacon. Oh, bacon. Bacon time. Check it out, y'all. We also got some Texas Pete. What? Hey, Carolina Chris. What's up, buddy? Got them to-go packs. Yee! We're heating up a tortilla. Heating up a tortilla on here. Look, here's the old signage from up here. Upper Shakes. There's any fat wood in that tree over there? Fell down? Man, that thing's uprooted over there. This big old beast of tree right here. Yee! Gotta get some chilling time in the hammock just for a minute. We got a skedaddle. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.